How to stop tinnitus naturally. Tinnitus is a condition in which one or both ears perceive ringing or other disturbances. The noise is not created by an external sound, but rather by a problem with the auditory system, which comprises the ear, the auditory nerve, and sound processing sections of the brain. While there are drugs and gadgets that can help make the noise less annoying, nothing may be able to completely eradicate it. Because of this, people who suffer with tinnitus may turn to alternative medicine to help them manage this annoying ailment. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a herb used in all natural treatments for anxiety, asthma, diabetes, erectile dysfunction, tiredness, glaucoma, and high blood pressure, among other ailments. Tinnitus is one of the symptoms that Ginkgo biloba is believed to help with. Some believe it can enhance blood flow, decrease inflammation, and change how nerve cells function. It's likely that these effects will help some persons with tinnitus. Acupuncture. Traditional Chinese medicine uses acupuncture to treat a variety of medical ailments, including tinnitus. Acupuncture is said to enhance health by restoring the flow of the body's vital force, known as qi. Zinc supplements. Zinc is a vital mineral that helps nerve messages, particularly those related in hearing, get to the brain. Some experts believe that a zinc shortage might cause tinnitus by interfering with such signals. Biofeedback. Biofeedback is learning to manage important functions that are generally unconscious, such as heart rate and breathing. It's commonly used to alleviate tension, headaches, and sleeplessness, as well as to assist people cope with chronic pain. Biofeedback, unlike the other alternative therapies, is not meant to alleviate tinnitus symptoms. It is instead used to alleviate tinnitus-related irritation. A person's quality of life can be improved by learning to manage with tinnitus this way. In persons with persistent tinnitus, a combination of biofeedback and cognitive behavioral therapy has proven to be effective. Tinnitus is a debilitating ailment that can have a negative impact on one's quality of life. There are no therapies that are consistently beneficial in all patients at this time. Some patients may benefit from alternative and all-natural therapies such as Ginkgo biloba, acupuncture, and zinc supplements, along with biofeedback to rid them of tinnitus symptoms. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.